Welcome. If you want to change keyboard theme in your Motorola Moto Z3 Play, for the first you have to enter settings. Right now scroll down, click on the system, languages and input, tap on the virtual keyboard, and right now you have to choose the keyboard that you are using. In my case it is the Gboard. Right here tap on the theme, and here you have choose between the colors, landscapes, light gradient and dark gradient. If you want to see more of these colors, tap on the show more. You can do this also for the other types, and for example I can go for this one, so tap on the apply to confirm, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up, comment and subscribe to our channel.